This Mortgage Minute brought to you by MortgageBrokersOttawa.com.
7:25. Welcome back. Frank Napolitano is here from MortgageBrokersOttawa.com. How are you, my friend?
I'm very well, thank you.
You guys have been busy.
We've been very busy.
You created a new app. It's simply the MortgageBrokersOttawa.com app, which you can
really
find
is.
on the App Store right
The
now.
App Store, BlackBerry, Samsung, iPhone.
All that?
All
the
three.
business?
All three.
First of all, let me know the advantages of having an app, because immediately it comes in handy. There's no question about it.
It's how we live today. I mean, we're on our devices steady, and we're not, near computers. I think we're still mostly near computers, but this is nice and easy. And,
the handheld
today's
computer.
younger generation likes to have information at their fingertips, and the app certainly comes in handy, not only for the younger, but we have a lot of real estate agents that we work with, and they absolutely adore the app because it allows them to tell customers payments right on the spot.
Well, yeah.
Through their phones, and email it to them too. So it's got an email function on the bottom where the agent can actually email that to the customer.
Let's say you're going a different, you're creating a bunch of different scenarios, which is often the case when you're buying a home and financing a home and that sort of thing. You can save the various ones you want at different interest rates, different prices, all that sort of thing.
Absolutely. The interest rates are live too, and that's what a lot of people love about it. Click the app, you know exactly what the best interest rates are at the time.
It also has on here, your interest rates, right? The interest rate you can get for customers.
The best rates
versus the banks.
Correct.
Right? Which is something to consider every time. You should check it out. It also allows you to come up with a budget.
First-time home buyers especially. First-time home buyers really struggle with knowing how much money they need at closing time. So part of the app is that feature where it'll tell you what your land transfer tax is.
Right.
It'll give you some estimates as what you should be
lawyer
budgeting
fees,
for
disbursements, title insurance.
Title insurance. Prepaid property tax. So all that information, it calculates it for you, and it gives you that number.
Yeah. Total funds and down payment. So it gives you an idea of what kind of cash you have to have, because often that's a big question that people have, or it's something they completely forget about until the last minute.
Totally agree. I have that conversation with customers when I first meet them, because I don't need to get that phone call 24 hours before closing saying I'm short $2,000, like I made a mistake somewhere.
Yeah, and that could spoil the whole deal.
And it really does. I mean, it spoils the excitement that you're looking forward to, and on that closing day. Yep.
There's all the wow, that's incredible.
Yeah.
The different terms and types of mortgages, right?
Yep.
So a 6-month mortgage, your rate. It also has the 1-year closed, 2-year closed, all the way up to 10-year closed, and all that sort of thing. So it gives you the rates that most banks are charging, right? And then it gives you the rate that you're able to get through your lenders.
Correct.
I like that.
The best part too is, we talked about a little bit where you can key in what your principal amount is, your interest rate, and if you choose the accelerated biweekly, and I've talked many times about how
you love this,
how the accelerated biweekly. So your 25-year amortization by choosing accelerated biweekly goes down to 22 years and 3 months. So that's fantastic. Right. And the best part is it actually tells you what your mortgage balance will be at the end of the 5-year term. So in this case, a first-time home buyer that bought a $300,000 home with a 5% down payment, 5 years from now, their balance, if they just make their regular accelerated biweekly payment without putting any extra money towards it, they're down to $242,000. So they've knocked $50,000 off the principal of their mortgage in the initial 5-year period.
So you've got it almost, in 5 years, you got 50 plus grand of equity, right?
At least. What's your house worth? 300? Is it worth 320, 330,
340?
330. All of a sudden, you're down to 242. You've taken a $15,000 down payment, and you've made it into $75,000, $80,000 worth of equity.
We got to run, but good job. I like it.
Thank you.
The
Great
MortgageBrokersOttawa.com app. Get it on your phone.